Sorry, I got cut off on my last video here. Let's go after the verbal rule number 2 and translate it into math. It says to obtain the output, add the input in 5, then double the result. So our output here is R and input here is M, and the first action we're going to do is write how to calculate R values. So R, our output, is calculated by, that's why we use equals again. So to obtain that, we add the input in 5. So like we did up here, the input and 5. So the input being M, and we're going to add 5 to it, and then double the result. So doubling the result means multiplying that whole thing by 2. So there is our verbal rule number 2 translated into math symbols or symbolic symbols. You could write it this way, where the 2 is out front, multiplied with the expression that way with no symbol in between there. That 2 next to those parentheses means multiply. So either way, so these guys are different, and so we should use differing variables here. So we just can use subscripts. So I'm going to use R1 for the verbal rule number 1, and then R2 for our number 2 rule. And so you'll be asked to look at that and do that in your reading quiz for this section. So hopefully this helps you.